dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her mine, but at the same time I know love is hard to find.
Welcome to Oslo. Wala akong nakikita. This is Octobrigge. Is it?
We're on our way to Asha, the restaurant where I work.
Yay! Yes, she's in her natural habitat.
Sarap! 10/10 would recommend. Okay.
We're on our way to dinner and we're going to this
It's called Oslo Street Food, where we can get a Filipino style street food.
it's 7 p.m.
And it's so cold tonight in Oslo.
There's nothing new. So this is our dinner.
Pork barbecue.
Pork
Filipino
barbecue for
Yum,
Christine and fried chicken for me.
Chicken joy.
Yeah, because I miss chicken joy.
And now I regret not ordering that.
Ang bango. Nag-photo shoot na kami. Mga dalawang layouts na. Kaya hindi pa kami masyadong nakapag-vlog.
No?
Yes.
Kilala niyo ba ako?
True. And now we're on our way to this coffee shop na medyo hipster.
We won't tell you where. It's my safe haven. It's my secret hiding place. But
yes.
Yeah, you'll see. It's the best and the quietest and like the vibe.
Sige, tingnan natin kung ma-reach yung expectations ko.
And I will let her try fresh oysters for the first time.
With a careful tension, when embarrassing fashion, we can't get any close without touching. I said, I can't put my hand there without going through it. Without us both going through it.
Bibili mo ba?
Taong bayan na ang huhusga bagay ko.
May libreng kuto yan.
That wouldn't be too bad if I didn't have to eat. But if I can't sleep in the shower, maybe get out. 'Cause now I know the difference. Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference. Between the vice grip. It's all gone by the morning, you know.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Mimi. Yeah. Welcome to Grünerløkka, the hippiest place in Oslo, with colorful cafes, graffitis, and yeah, it's by the river. We're now on our way to Mathallen, and I will show her the best oysters in Oslo.
I love the way she moves it when she's watering our garden with her headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window, and I can't help but hum along. Yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to...
Here's how to eat oyster.
It's our first time to try fresh oysters. Let's see how it goes. Don't spit on me, okay?
Have a good time. All you need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and $20. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff.
Nagpo-post process na agad si Christine. She's still a Visco girl, using Visco.
Pinayu.
I moved on. I'm on Lightroom.
Worries. I love the way she looks, yeah. When she's curled up on the sofa on the landline, talking to her sister about whatever, and she can't help but make me smile. Oh yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All you need is take out in a bottle of wine.
Hi, good morning. So it's the last day of our stay at Comfort Hotel. It was a nice experience, and I love how much they are doing to save the environment. Unlike other hotels, they got rid of unnecessary products made of plastics, such as disposable shampoo bottles, toothbrush. It was for a good cause. It's because they are trying to limit their plastic consumption, which I think is a good thing, doing their part in helping save the environment. You can see all around the hotel they have a lot of effort, so I highly encourage to go for hotels that are environmentally friendly and conscious. Let's try to support their cause and do our part as consumers to support this kind of movement.
We are so lucky to be here. We had a nice breakfast,
and people are so friendly. And you should check out Comfort Hotel.
and I really love the sustainability about saving the planet.
And I think that's a good cause to support.
Save the turtle.
Anyway, we had a lot of fun.
And a lot of
and
great pictures.
So this is it for this vlog. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for letting me join.
Last night. Ciao.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
And like.
Leave me a comment. Hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.